Welcome to Sheena's Cooking. Today I'm going to make some pork neck bones. I'm going to cook these in the crock pot. And here are the seasonings I'm using, and I'll put all of these in the description box below. And now they're well seasoned. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. And now it's the following morning. I'm going to use half beef broth for the crock pot and then half water. You can use whatever seasoning you prefer. This broth comes in this box container, or it also comes in a can. But yeah, I'm going to use half water, half beef broth. And now I'm placing the pork neck bones in the water. I'm going to submerge them in the water. I'm going to put the veggies on top. And here I chopped up some mushrooms, some onions, some carrots. It's going to be marinated in that beef broth and the seasoning that I put on the pork neck bones. And as you can see, I put 5 hours on there. I just dumped everything in there, the veggies on top of the pork neck bones. I'm going to put the lid on. Now everything is cooked. It's actually been about 4 hours. The mushrooms are darkened, the onions are cooked, the carrots are so tender, and the pork neck bones are towards the bottom. I'm making rice as my side dish, and voila, the veggies are cooked. Those carrots are so tender. The pork neck bones are so delicious. And as you can see, I used the broth gravy to put on top of the rice and some of those veggies. So that's how I made a quick meal. But thanks for chiming in. Bon appetit.